Hey y'all, hey, it's D. So it's time to go over my dividends for the month of January 24. So yeah, y'all, it was a very good month for my dividends. So first of all, I want to say I am not a financial advisor, and what I am sharing here is just what I choose to do to help me get ahead and hopefully retire early. So yeah, y'all, that y'all are doing well. If you want to follow along my journey of dividend investing and seeing my dividend portfolios, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all. Whew. So as I stated, this was a very good month for dividends. I was not expecting it to be this good, so I will go over a couple of highlights of dividends for January. Now I do track all of my dividends, and I have two brokerage accounts, and I have 3 IRAs, which includes a rollover IRA, a Roth IRA, and an inherited IRA, and an HSA. So I did decide this year I will start using my HSA for medical bills until I'll be able to bring in some more income to help pay for co-pays and what have you. But yeah, those are all of my portfolios. If you want to see background on my portfolios, I do have an investing playlist available on my channel. All right, so for my rollover IRA in JEPI, I got a total of $57.20. Now with this $57.20, I was able to get an extra share of JEPI. Now I do have all of my dividends reinvested into each position, except for my HSA. I did just change that so I can have some cash available to pay for my co-pays or any medical expenses that I may have. And also another big dividend in my rollover IRA was for MO, which is Altria. I got a total of $108.47 in dividends, and that gave me, y'all, my biggest increase in shares just from dividends, and it gave me an extra 2.5 shares in MO. So I was so excited for that. And another pretty big one on this sheet was from O, which is Realty Income. I got $33.77, and that is also from my rollover IRA. The smallest one I got on here was from my regular brokerage. It's from Stag, and I got a total of 7 cents. I do have another page of dividends right here. And this one right here, I don't have any really big ones. I think the biggest one on here is $2.38 from NLY from my other brokerage account. So yeah, y'all, these were all of my dividends that I got in January. I do have this dividend tracker available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop if you're interested in that. So now let's go of what I was able to receive in my dividend portfolios. So I do also have this tracker available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop, which is always linked down below. I do like to know how much money that I get each month from dividends. I have a goal of getting $100 a month at least of dividends, and once I get there, then we'll probably increase that to like 150. And yeah, y'all, now let's see what my total dividends was for the month of January. And y'all, I got a total of $255.20. So that is a lot, and I am so excited to start off 24 with a big dividend month. So $255.20 for just investing my money in the stock market. If you are new here, I'm currently not able to really invest right now. So all of these dividend gains came from me investing prior to me being able to invest. I haven't invested really in 2023 and right now not in 2024 either. So y'all, $255. Alrighty, I did create some additional trackers because I want to track how much dividends I get in my brokerage accounts, and these are accounts that I will be able to use if when I retire early, and I can take out these dividends to help take care of myself, pay a bill, or what have you. So in my two brokerage accounts, which I have one with Stash and one with Fidelity, I was able to get a total of $15.04 in dividends, and this is pretty good. So I am excited to see how my dividends and my brokerage accounts are going to grow and expand. And I also am tracking how much I am receiving in my IRA. So the only one that I'm not tracking separately is my HSA, and I'm not concerned about those right now. So in my 3 IRAs, I got a total of $208.61. See, most of my dividends are coming from my IRAs, so I'm excited for that, but I cannot actually touch these until I reach the retirement age, and I have a long way to go for there, but I am still going out here, and when I do be able to start investing again, I will be highly focused on my brokerage accounts since I can't access those before retirement age. And $208.61, that is enough to pay 2 of my bills, and that is exciting. $15, I can get a little bit of gas with that, and with $255.20, I can get some 2 bills and some groceries with that. So I'm excited about that, y'all. Let me know if you invest, and if you do invest, are you a dividend investor, or do you like? Okay, so that is my update for January for my dividends. I did want to zoom in a little bit so you can see the positions that I do have in my portfolios and received dividends from this month. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey. So that is how my dividend panned out. My portfolios is around 45K right now. So yeah, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. That is the end of my video. I wanted to tell you, don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And I'm excited to see what the month of February will have for me in dividends, because I am addicted to dividends. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.